Have you ever wondered what the earth would look like without soil? There's actually a scientific name for this. This process is called soil erosion. Now, let's dig a little deeper. Today I'm going to talk to you about soil erosion. I have taken several classes at Iowa State University and have touched on this topic and how to prevent it. Today in this speech, we will be discussing what soil erosion is, the different types of soil erosion, and what methods can be taken to prevent soil erosion. According to biodiversity.a-z.org, soil erosion is defined as detachment and movement of topsoil material from the upper part of the profile by the action of wind or running water, especially as a result of changes brought about by human activity. In other words, soil erosion is the process of the Earth's surface being worn down. An example of this to help you understand this a little better is when you buy new shoes, you might notice that there's nice, good, sturdy tread on the bottom of it. But as you put those shoes on and start walking around, the tread wears off. This is similar to what is happening to soil erosion. Instead of the pressure of walking, it is the wind and the water that can be held responsible. Soil erosion also is mostly affected by the top of the soil, or the topsoil. This is because the farther you look down into the soil, the more compact the soil is. So when any sort of wind gusts or water flow passes through the soil, the topsoil is the first to go. Now that you know what soil erosion is, I'm going to tell you how many different kinds of soil erosion there are. There are many different types of soil erosion. They include water, sheet and rill scalding, gully, tunnel, stream bank, mass movement, and wind erosion. But right now I'm going to focus on specifically water and stream erosion. Water erosion is said to be caused by heavy rainfall that hits the Earth's surface at a fast rate. This water hits the Earth with enough force that it breaks up the soil particles. Another well-known type of erosion is stream bank erosion. Stream bank erosion is caused by lack of vegetation or overgrazing of livestock along the banks of streams. Because the bank is now barren, this provides the perfect opportunity for the soil to be washed or blown into the stream. This ultimately results in nutrient loss in the remaining soil and the nearby stream being polluted. Now that you know the different types of soil erosion, you may be wondering, is there anything I can do to help? Well, there are many different methods or strategies to prevent soil erosion. Many of these methods are used by farmers in agriculture, but have recently sparked the interest of average landowners. They include crop rotation, conservation tillage, contour farming, strip farming, terrace farming, grass waterways, and diversion structures. In my classes at Iowa State University, the topic of strip farming comes up a lot. Strip farming stands for Science-Based Trials of Row Crops Integrated with Prairie Strips. The STRIP project is conducted by a team of scientists and farmers that is put on by Iowa State University. The STRIP project combines prairie grasses with sections of farmland. The object of this project is to cut down on soil erosion by allowing the prairie grass to absorb some of the water runoff. This decreases water runoff by 90%, and it also recreates a natural environment for prairie species. In this speech, we have covered the topics of what soil erosion is, different types of soil erosion, and methods to prevent soil erosion. Now that we have dug a little deeper, I hope that you have been thoroughly informed over this topic.
Got it in one shot, all right.